Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jenny Alberba. I am 42 years old. I live in the Philippines. I'm high school graduate, married, and I have two sons. The ages of my two sons are 20 years old and 7 years old. My father's name is Alfredo Berano. My mother's name is Elsie Berano. I have one brother and I have one sister. I am the first of my family. I have working experience in Dubai for 6 years, from 2008 to 2014. I serve two persons. My main duties are cleaning the house, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, gardening, and cooking. I have also experience in Singapore for 2 years, from 2015 to 2017. I serve four persons, one couple, one elderly, and one kid, 5 years old, boy. My main duties are cleaning the house, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, and take care the kids. I have also experience in Philippines for 4 years, from 2019 to 2023. I serve four persons, one couple, one son, and one daughter. My main duties are cleaning the house, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, gardening, and cooking. To my future employer, if you choose me as one of your helper, I promise to do my best. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Because I am kind, trustworthy, honest, loyalty, and hardworking. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Ma'am, and Sir. God bless.